Okay. So, I have been on the phone for an hour here. I have a Zoom meeting for a court date. If you remember, I had posted that video where I got pulled over by the Plymouth police in Plymouth, Minnesota. I was on my way to work, to where I've been working, and I apparently had a brake light out. Okay, so um, I I looked up the law, and that they shouldn't have come onto the workplace because that was considered private property, and so they, unless I was speeding or something on a public road, I was then maybe there was some kind of law broken on a public road, then they could follow you maybe onto somewhere where you were pulling into, but that wasn't the case. I just had a brake light out. So I've been on the phone now waiting for this stupid court date for this brake ticket for an hour in the court system here. And I had to take time off from work for this, and I was already 15 minutes late for work the day that I got pulled over for this incident. And I already proved that I got the brake light out, that I got the brake light fixed. So at this point, this is such a waste of my time and energy, and I'm so furious about the whole court system. And I have told my story about before about how much time and energy this whole thing has costed me. How when I first moved back from Arizona, I got pulled over like 30 some times in like 2013-14 in Minneapolis. So that so I'm not very pleased right now. I've been on the phone for an hour waiting for a Zoom court date. Okay, so I don't know what is taking so long, but this is unacceptable because I took certain time off to be able to do this court date, and they are supposed to be ready for when I've been logged on waiting for my court date, and nobody is coming on. So I don't know what I've done my part, but nobody is coming on to the court date here. So I don't know what more I can do. So I'm just telling the situation here of why it's so frustrating with the police and the whole courts, because you're just up against a system that just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. The whole system is just something that is not working anymore. The police don't seem to know the rules. They break the rules and just follow you onto private property. I looked up the law, and it says, like, if a business had some kind of a contract with the police, with like Walmart or some kind of a place where they want the security there, then that would have been acceptable, but not in so the other cases. Okay. Sure. Okay, they're coming on.